Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click that blue button right there. For those of you who already have, you're already in the know. You know. You want to be in the know. Click it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. I'm excited because today we are working on one of your thrift flip challenges. So for those of you who are new here, I put a P.O. box up and I'll put the P.O. box information here. There's also information in the description below. So if you want to send me a thrift flip challenge, you can do so. And I had to put them aside for Junk Bonanza, getting ready for Junk Bonanza, but I'm back. So we're going to work on this one from Ray. So Ray has been a long time subscriber. She sent me this cute little jewelry box that we're going to flip. Let's talk about it. Love the legs. First of all, these are going to have to be called out in some way. Am I right? I mean, look at them. It had a spot for, I don't know, a photograph or something. So if you look in here, it's got a mirror. There's my studio lights, but there's a mirror in there. It has little clips that are supposed to be holding it in. They're bent up. Can you see them? Let's see. Can you see how they're bent up? So they're not quite holding the mirror in properly. That means it's also not holding the picture in properly. Then it's got this cute little drawer that has a little burgundy base in it. It's not dirty. It doesn't smell. I mean, it's dirty on the outside. It doesn't smell. On the outside, the only thing really egregious is this little thing here. But we need to give it an update, a little love, because Ray sent it to me and she paid $1.99 at her thrift store in Florida. So we are going to take this today and we are going to give it a makeover. Okay, so the very first thing we need to do is we're going to use our undo and get rid of that sticker. No offense to Gift Giant, but this is just not going to work for me. And I guess it was dirty. You can actually see where the sticker was. It's very dirty. Let's see if this $1.99 sticker is going to come off the front any better. Okay. Now, the drawer's out. We're going to have to do something about this knob because it's coming off. And I got a question. As cute as this is, what's this knob for? I don't think it serves a purpose, right? I mean, there's no drawer there, but they just decided to plunk another knob in there. So we're going to take that off too. Sorry, that's coming off too. Just whack that off. Okay, we're ready to make over. There's a reason I have my quick wood out, because I don't get this. I mean, I wouldn't want to stick a picture in here. I don't know what the point of this is. So we're filling it. We're filling it in, and it's getting rid of the mirror too, because these aren't working, guys. These aren't actually holding anything in here. So for those of you going, that's a large space to fill. It is. But what we're going to do is we're going to leave the glass in. We're going to leave the mirror in. And that's going to be our filler. And we're going to fill around it. What? I know. Crazy. I am not gonna lie, that took a lot of sanding. Like, whatever you think a lot of sanding is, quadruple it. It took a lot of sanding. And then I used a little of this to get this smooth, because there was still some divots in there where I didn't get everything completely flat. So I put that on there and she's flat now. Use my chip brush and we're going to get her primed up. She's going to get a new look for sure. My primer dried up. That's okay. I still had some adhesion. So we are going to get her primed up here. My paint gummed up while I was working, so you can see the texture is kind of not where I want it to be. So we need to take a little fine grit sandpaper. This is 180. Higher the number, the finer the grit, and we're going to sand the whole thing before giving it another coat of paint, which is so frustrating to sand off your work, but in the end, you want it to look good. I hate doing this. I really hate doing it. I do all that work and I just sand it off, but anyway. Okay, so the top up here had to get an extra coat, so it's still drying. While it's drying, I'm going to address the legs. We're going to do something a little special, something I haven't done before, and it's silver leafing. So you can see there's a little piece missing, and that's because I silver leafed the knob to test it, to try it out, and it worked. Now I've done silver leafing. It looks so nice. I'm so excited. But okay, let's do this. Remember I said these legs were super special? These are going to get a silver leaf treatment. So we're going to paint on the sizing. So I've got this Mona Lisa adhesive size. And then I have a bunch of silver leaf sheets. But I'm going to, use up that one that I started because this is real silver. The only gold or silver leafing I've ever done has been with liquid leaf. This is definitely different. So I'm going to paint on the sizing on the legs, and then you let it dry for a half an hour. So while the top is drying, the legs will dry, and then we'll put the silver leaf on and we'll go. Guys, look at it. It looks so good. Oh, but wait. We're not done yet. There's still more. I don't remember who sent me these. It was either Ray or Kathleen and Melon. So I'm not sure who sent these to me. But these were the bird decoupage papers. And I'm going to use that on the top. I've got this pretty decoupage paper that came in one of the boxes for the Thrift Flip challenge. And I'm going to stick some birds right up here. And maybe we will silver leaf around them a little bit. But I'm going to figure out which birds first of all. We're going to use this because everything's matte except the silver leaf. That's kind of what I was going for, is to keep everything sort of subdued, so that the silver leaf would really pop. I'm going to let it dry. And then I'm going to figure out if I want to put any silver leafing on the lid or not. I've stuck this in there, a little pole in there to make sure that the lid doesn't dry down with the decoupage glue. Not that I would do that. Going to need to vacuum up the shop. So It's finished. Are you ready to see the results? I hope you like it, Ray. I'm not sure if that fit with anyone's expectations of how it was going to turn out, but that was, in my mind, I'm sure a lot of people thought it would be very little girl. I mean, it screamed little girl when I got it. And I wanted to do something that was just slightly more adult. So I'm actually thinking I want to keep it. I like it. I like it a lot now. I'm happy with how the gold or the silver leaf turned out. Gold leaf. I was just thinking I needed to get some gold leaf. That's why I said gold. I'm really happy with how the silver leaf turned out. Not happy with the mess it makes. So there's a lot of little silver bits on my surface now. Now stuck to my finger. Ah! It's not coming off. I love it. I kind of love it. It's not as hard to work with as I was anticipating. You know, when you see videos and tutorials on how to use silver leaf, I stressed out a lot thinking this is going to be really super hard, and it wasn't hard at all. I mean, it does fall apart. These sheets make it really simple to use because I could hold onto these and lay it down. That was nice. I would highly, highly recommend, if you're going to try silver or gold leaf, getting these sheets. I got them on Amazon. I will put a link in the description below to the sheets that I bought because it made silver leafing so easy. Like, I'm going to do that again, and I still have a piece left. I have quite a bit left. So that didn't take anything. It took like 2 full sheets, and then a little extra for the knob. So it was nothing. It was nothing. Yeah, if you're going to do a bigger project, it might be more expensive, but there's an awful lot of gold leaf there. Again, gold leaf. I'm thinking gold leaf. I might have to gold leaf something. But that's my thrift flip for this time around. I hope you like the transformation, Ray. If you haven't yet gotten one of your Happy Junkin' shirts, don't forget to click the link below. And if you want to send me your own thrift flip challenge, send it to the P.O. box. You can also send anything else there. If you want to send me, I don't know, hate mail. Please don't send me hate mail. If you want to send me, if you're a brand and you're thinking you would like me to try one of your products for an honest review, I had somebody send me a product, and then there were guidelines that said I had to post positive reviews. That won't happen. If I don't like it, I won't give you a positive review. So I can't agree to those terms. So if you send to my P.O. box, you're agreeing to my terms, which is an honest review. And it's my channel, and that's my rules. And if you would like to send me a copy, because clearly brands are not going to pay me. It's like Patreon without the monthly commitment. Click the link below and send me some coffee because I'm on half a tank. The money goes directly back into the channel to buy things like all the stuff you see here. So thanks for watching, everyone. Happy Junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin' videos.